Oh, so many are there. Hi.
Jai Gurudev.
Gurudev.
How are you all? You're all our wonderful well-wishers. Because of you only, we are running our schools. Huh? Even in the pandemic, we had a lot of activities in our schools. Like, teachers have been in constant touch with students uh, to sustain learning, of course. And then over 1,500 teachers have undergone training. This Shraddha training we did this year also. And then the 5th to 10th standard only we could take, because only those children could understand even online classes. Younger children were encouraged to do gardening, artwork, all those small little, by themselves. In the villages, most of the villages were not having any so much of onslaught of this COVID thing, but now even villages are catching up. It's very dangerous here. In today only we learned that in the third wave, the children will be affected. So I don't know how we are going to start our school, but more than that, we please all of you pray for all our children here, and they have to be safe and careful. We have to take care of them. Always help is required for us. We always turn to you for help and infrastructure for new school in Odisha. We have so many schools there. So they keep asking, we want building Banama type, So that is a request for you all. And then there is also operational expenses for UP schools, Assam, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, all these schools, we need the operational expenses. For all that you can raise, whatever you raise is good for us. And this year we didn't expand much at all, because the situation here, even to conduct the classes only is quite a challenge. But we didn't expand at all, and many whatever we could do, no, even um, we provided food for all these family. We gave them the food packets through our IHV. They did help in those villages for all the parents. So much of help is being done, but it is nothing at all. If you look at the need, what we give is very fugal, very little only. But even then, we are happy that we are able to make a difference in at least some lives. And Gurudev has given us this opportunity to think about others. You are all, you're all included in that. You are all doing your bit so nicely. I'm so thankful and grateful to all of you. And keep up the good work. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all of
Yeah,
you.
happy Mother's Day to
Happy
you.
Mother's Day
Mother's
to
Day
you
to you
too.
too.
Happy
Happy Mother's
Day, Ma.
And whatever he takes, he does it so beautifully. We are so fortunate to have wonderful volunteers like all of you. You're all angels of Gurudev, and we are lucky, and that Gurudev has given us this wonderful project, isn't it? And
Yes,
let us all be united, and let us all
that,
bring in those very much needed smile in many lives.
Yes.
that's
Jai
right.
Gurudev.
Jai
For your
Gurudev.
blessing.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai
Thank you
Gurudev.
so much for joining us
Mother's Day, Jai
tonight.
Gurudev.
It's
Thank
so
you.
late for
Thank
you. Thank you for being so loving and kind as usual.
Uh,
Thank you, Bhanima.
Thank you so much, Brahma.
Happy Mother's Day.